just sent my dead man, now he go out like a hitman.
I need it now. If I ain't have it, I'ma get it. Bitch, I'm the best, ain't no one could have said it.
Hey guys, what's up? So today I just got the Elephant Hunter. So it's basically like a brutal Headhunter. So basically at its for brutal Headhunter, it's a little bit less damage than the Elephant Hunter if they are both at like the same like rarity. So if legendary, then brutal Headhunter's about like 2 damage less on body, but headshot would be the same. So I just say right now, legendary no mods would be 104 for Elephant Hunter, and for head it would be 142 with Elephant Hunter. That's with no mods legendary. And for no mods on mythical, I don't have mythical yet, but I can tell you guys the damage. It's 120 body and 163 head. And now for my level X mods, for level X mods plus wear plus mask, body shot against rare armor would be 186 damage, and for on dev headshot it would be 1 shot. So basically it one shots on all the armors, or yeah, pretty much all the armors on headshot with my X mods. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a little bit better than brutal Headhunter if you guys wanted to know that. And I'll do OT soon when I can. And basically this is just, I just like put a gameplay of me doing pulls at the start. I thought I met Zen, if you guys know him. Go sub to him too, but I thought I met him, but I guess he was fake, I think. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this gameplay too, you know. But yeah, thank you guys so much, and see y'all next time. Please like, comment, subscribe if you like this, guys. See y'all next time.